For 51 years, I lived inside borrowed names and polite silences. I was born in South Africa, adopted at 5 days old, and taught gently not to ask too many questions. To the world, I was successful. To my mom and dad, I was their little lamb, chosen because I was the prettiest. But in the quiet, I was Baby X, a story without a beginning, a soul searching for its own reflection. No one tells you that separation leaves an imprint, that the body remembers what the mind cannot, that you spend decades performing wholeness while feeling fundamentally misplaced. Writing this memoir broke me open. I had to face the wound beneath the wound, the marriage that taught me survival, but not how to breathe, the myths I built to make sense of being chosen and abandoned in the same breath. And then, on 16 July 2024, my son Gurik left this world. Grief rearranges everything. It strips you of performance. It demands truth. And somewhere beneath the devastation, I discovered this. We are not people who become whole. We are wholeness that temporarily forgot its own nature. Welcome to Unadoptically Me. I am Elmarie Arnold. In this podcast, I narrate my memoir, 88 intimate snapshots of love, loss, identity, and the fierce tenacity of the human spirit. From the knowing field of family constellations to the stardust skies of the Cape Winelands, to reclaiming my sacred name, Elushika. This is not a story about adoption alone. It is a story about remembering who we were before the silence. If you have ever felt unnamed, unseen, or misplaced, this space is for you. Subscribe to Unadoptically Me. To sign up for free access to all episodes, visit foreverfree.co.za. Unadoptically Me, available wherever you listen to podcasts. Let's begin.